Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. This item is a collaboration product. Umbro by Kim Jones Gamba. Let me introduce a collaboration item. Used product with only 235mm of MovinsEdition. It's Umbro Gambas by Kim Jones product that can be changed to high and low depending on your mood. The overall body is canvas-based sneakers that have the charm of wearing comfortably. The color and vintage of khaki show unique fashion. Gamba sneaker which comes in a khaki colorway and features a canvas upper. The shoe definitely has a high-end look, however, without losing the sportiness of the Umbro brand. It's a collaboration with the Umbro logo, so it's subtly shaped like a cube or a hexagon shape. Umbro collaborated designer Kim Jones' sense of luxury director. Kim Jones' designs are really clean and simple. He uses a lot of cool tone hues. He's known for his flawless casual clothing designs, but I really dig his shoe designs. Button detail? With this beauto,